Hello, welcome to a new tutorial presented by the SchrDbb. So this tutorial is going to be showing you as from this tutorial we're going to see the different diseases that are going, how we are going to have a history taking, then physical examination, then the summary and management of different diseases in internal medicine, surgery, obstetrics, gynecology, and pediatrics. So now we need to evaluate that word. We need to evaluate that. I'm sorry about that. My voice is not that good. We need to evaluate that there are different elements that you have to visualize in different issue taking. And now, when you want to visualize issue taking, you're going to use the SchrDbb algorithm. So the SchrDbb algorithm is an algorithm that was written by the SchrDbb and which fully means Christian Darcy Bob the Blondel. So that is the SchrDbb. So scientist or Sir Christian Darcy Bob the Blondel. So that's the full meaning. And now there is a clinical algorithm that was written by the SchrDbb, and this clinical algorithm is going to be helpful for all the diseases that we're going to see. You need to know that what every time you want to discuss about a disease, you start by the disease, then you go to the differential diagnosis, then you go to the endemic disease, and then up here we have the cause. Every disease has a cause, then every disease has a complication, then every disease has a background, and lastly every disease has a prognosis. So this is how you are supposed to visualize all the diseases according to the SchrDbb algorithm. Now the next point is that what this diagram here is a clinical diagram, but now this is a practical case of every disease. This practical case can now be converted to the theoretical case. So every disease is going to have a mechanism, and you should understand the mechanism of disease. Now for the complication, the complication corresponds to the pathophysiology. Is it clear? The cause corresponds to the pathogenesis. Is it clear? Then you have your circle. Inside the background, we have the epidemiology and the risk factors. And then lastly, here is the follow-up with the prognosis. Is it clear? So those are the different elements. When you want to visualize every diseases, you should note this algorithm and this pattern and this pattern. This pattern is for the clinical or the practical view of a disease. This pattern here, while this pattern here is for the theoretical view of the disease. So when you know already these two patterns, I'm sure you're going to know very well the disease. Is it clear? So those are the points that you have to put in mind. Now, the next point that you have to put in mind is that what every time that you have a disease in front of you, you must note that what you should start from the center according to the SchrDbb algorithm. So from the center, you start from the disease. After the disease, you have the differential diagnosis. After the differential diagnosis, you have the endemic disease. After the endemic disease, you have the cause, then you have the complication, then you go to the background. Is it clear? We are going to visualize the world, the SchrDbb algorithm, by visualizing the different diseases. Is it clear? So I'm going to explain it better and better for the different clinical cases. Thank you.